Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are showing you the construction of the Unico Hotel in Lilliput, Montego Bay. Now this is a massive development, luxury hotel development. Now when you look at how big this development is, it's only 451 rooms. I heard that they might upsized to 551, but officially it's still listed as 451 rooms. Now look at those two massive towers. 451 rooms for this huge development. These rooms are going to be huge. Of course, it's going to have all the amenities, private pools, swim-up pools, restaurants, everything that you'd find in a luxury hotel. Now, the Unico brand is a Mexican brand. The company that owns the Unico brand also owns the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino and Moon Palace. Actually, I'm not sure if they own Moon Palace, but they also operate the Hard Rock and hotels. So to the right of this hotel, they are going to be building a Hard Rock Hotel. That one is going to be 1,000 rooms. So if these two massive towers you're looking at only hold 451 rooms, can you imagine how tall that structure is going to be? It's going to be over 20 floors actually to house the Hard Rock Hotel. Now this section of Montego Bay is going to have some of the most luxurious hotels in Jamaica. Currently the Iberostar Hotel is on this strip. Then between the Iberostar and the Unico, you're going to have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. It's going to have a massive casino, one of the largest casinos you'll find in the Caribbean. That one they haven't started construction on that hotel yet. As soon as the Unico is finished, they should start on that one. And then to the left of the Unico is going to be a 1,350 room hotel, Moon Palace, Montego Bay. Another luxury hotel. The Moon Palace operates a hotel in Ocho Rios, and it does so well that they are building a new one here in Montego Bay, and they are actually doubling the size of the hotel. That speaks volumes about the tourism sector in Jamaica. In Montego Bay it was 700 rooms, and actually straight ahead to the left, or where you're looking at now, they are going to be building the Moon Palace, and that structure is going to be 33 floors. It will be the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean, and it's being built right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now the Unico, all four of those hotels we just spoke about, all ultra luxury hotels. So this corridor right here is quickly becoming one of the most luxurious areas in terms of hotels for Jamaica. This hotel, the Unico that we're looking at, they should finish sometime. Well, it was scheduled to finish in 2025. However, looking at that structure to the right, we are in September now, October, November, December. I'm not sure if it's going to finish this year, but it's close. They're working on it, and I must say it's moving quickly, very quickly. The structure to the left and the section straight ahead should finish this year for sure. That building now to the right, that one I'm not sure if they'll finish this year, but we'll keep you guys updated. And guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.